Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're working on an A2338 MacBook Pro that has a broken screen and we're gonna replace it. So I thought that this would be a great opportunity to show you how we can do that. We are going to use a P5 pentalobe screwdriver to remove the 6 screws on the bottom cover. As always, our beloved suction. Lift. Gently. Place your fingers underneath. Unhook. And then pull. And that should do the trick. First thing we always do is disconnect the battery. First we pull the flex cable like this, and then by using a T5 tip on your screwdriver, remove the battery screw. Now you want to take your T3 tip. I will be using I will put the tools necessary for every MacBook repair in the descriptions, because they're always the same, they don't change, and you can use that as a reference. We will remove the 2 metal shields holding down the LCD flex cable. There are 4 screws here, 2 for each shield. And then we are going to lift the LCD cable. Then by using the T3 tip, did we have the T3 tip already? Yes, we did. We will remove the hinge covers. They're held down by 2 screws, one on the left and one on the right. We need to remove the plastic LCD cable covers. They're held down by 4 screws. And then we need to remove the screws holding down the T-con cable or the T-con board. Then we need to release the Wi-Fi antenna cables. They're held down by this screw as well. So we just lift them up like this. And now we are going to remove the Wi-Fi antenna. And for that we need to remove the 12 screws holding it down. They're T2 screws, or actually they're P2, a pentalobe. Carefully though, because they tend to break very easily, and they're a pain to remove afterwards. Good. Now, by lifting it on one side, just pull it out. Make sure that the T-con cable and the plastic shields of the LCD cables are unscrewed and released. Now take your T8 tip and remove the screws holding down the LCD. I like to take the 4 ones out first, lift the screen, and then remove the remaining 2. And just taking it out. And that's it. Thanks for watching.